In this video, we're going to talk about a couple helpful tips about how to get mortgages to buy a home, condo, or commercial building, or commercial property. Stay tuned, and we're going to get after it right now. Good afternoon, everybody. Tad Newton, good old Team Tad Real Estate with Virtual Property Realty. We're out here walking on the good old nature trail in a place called Bogan Park in good old beautiful Gwinnett County, which is North Metro Atlanta area, about 25, 30 miles north of downtown Atlanta. Apologize for the noise, the leaves, it is fall, so right now it's October the 9th, I believe it is, today. Beautiful day, crazy 82 degrees on November, the second week of November. But anyway, sorry about the leaves. I try to walk a little quieter if it's possible. There's always squirrels and stuff around here. Great area. Time to get a mortgage. How to get a mortgage right now? Depending on your credit. If your credit challenged, there are a lot of mortgage companies that are specialists in helping you improve your credit score. If they can't get it immediately improved, they can definitely help you in the future bring it up to where it needs to be, to where you're financially able to purchase a house via mortgage on your own. A whole bunch of people assume because their credit is stinks right now, or it's lacking, they just give up and don't buy a house and continue to rent. If it's something you want to do to purchase a house, first of all, I'm Tad with Team Tad Real Estate. I'd love to help you get your own home. We have several mortgage companies we work with, and can give you referrals on people to work with to help you improve your credit and build it up. Give me a shout. We'd love to help you. Hey, how you doing, sir? 678-898-2099 is our number. Give us a call. We get calls from people all the time on how to rebuild the credit. We don't do the credit rebuilding. We have mortgage specialists that can tell you what to do and how to do it, specifically which account, how to handle this account, that account, and etc. So give me a call. I'll be more happy to get you in touch with the right person to help you do that. And then after that's all done, all said and done, your credit's fixed and ready to go. We hope that you give us a call to help you find a house, condo, apartment, townhome, etc. Apartments, we can help you. We'll give a referral to somebody else for that, but we don't do apartments. But 678-898-2099. Apologize for these leaves, and hope you're having a great day. Thanks.